Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your own logo to add it to our customizable projects to give them your own branded look. So to get started, go up to My Media and Uploads, click on that. Then in My Media and Uploads, click on Uploads right here. Then you'll want to click on Upload Media. Click Choose Files. Then on your computer, find where you have your logo saved. I have 3 different versions of our logo saved, so I'm just going to hold down the Shift key and select them all. Click Open, and those files are now ready to be saved to My Media and Uploads. Click the Save Files button, and now they're all in there ready for you to use on customizable projects. So the first customizable project, I'm going to use a video. So if I go underneath Custom Graphics in the top navigation and go to Custom Video, and I'm going to search by popular, and I'm just going to use this first video here. It's kind of a logo reveal, good intro video. So I can click Customize this video button, and it'll open up the customization app. And if I go over to the far left menu, this vertical menu, and go to the top where it says My Media and Uploads, click on that, and then click on the little Uploads button right here at the top. When you do this, you'll see all your logos ready to be used in this window. And then in the design area, I'm just going to delete this text out, and I'm going to drag and drop this logo just over the top of this one. You can drag whatever logo you want on top of another image and it will replace it for you. And then for this this element here, this logo, I'm just going to click on it and it's going to add it to my design work area. And then I position these where I need them, and I have them both selected by holding the Shift key. And then I'm using these tools up here to align, make sure they're aligned correctly, and I'll use this align tool, and you can see that shifted over just slightly there. That looks good. And then our customizable items will have different ways you can change the color to match your logo and branding. So the smoke color down here, it's already set to a blue, but I'm going to click it. And I'm going to click this little eyedropper color picker and just find a color inside my logo I want to use. And that looks good. It changed the color down there. And now I'm ready to download and build this video. So down in the bottom right, the small size is selected, which is 1280 by 720. I'm going to download the large size, which would be 1920 by 1080, and then click Build and Download. Okay, click OK. And up in the upper right corner, you'll see this gear rotating. That means it's sent off to our server and it's being built right now with these new design elements in the video. Okay, so as that builds, we're just going to go click on the little logo in the top left corner to get back to the dashboard. And there we are. And I'm going to go look for another video to customize. I'm going to choose one of these editable video templates. So I'll click on that. And let's see. I'm going to use this strategy meeting video. So I can either download this. If this looks good, there'll be quick downloads. You can just download this as is right here. But I'm going to choose to customize this video. Yes, load new project. Okay, that's in there. And then I'm going to go back to the vertical menu on the left and click on My Media and Uploads. You can see that there's a gear turning right there. That still means that the other video is being worked on and built. And then I click on that and I want to go to My Uploads right here. And then I'll see all my logos ready to use. And I'm just going to click on these 2 logos and add them to my design area. And then I'm going to resize them by clicking on the little handles around the image and then the ones in the corner will resize it and just drag it up to the top left corner. And I'm just going to do that with the other logo as well. So something like that. And then in the bottom right corner, I'm just going to play the video to preview it. And you can see that the branding is now, for PresenterMedia, is now in the upper left corner. And if I want to add animation to that, I can just click on the logo or image, and down here where it says entrance, I'm just going to choose a fly right. And then there's some, right here, there's just options how the animation is going to end. So this will just give it a smooth ending, a nice ease. And then I'm just going to click on the other logo and just do a fade in. And now if I play that and preview it, you can see that the two logos now fade in with all the other stuff. And I can also change the text inside this video. So it says vision, strategy, growth. I could change this middle one to teamwork, and then in the tools in the upper toolbar, I can resize that if it's too big. Okay, that looks good. Okay, if the video is ready, just go up to File in the left upper side of the customizer, and I'm going to download this as a video. I could also, if I like this design right here, this design layout, I could just download it as a JPEG or a PNG image, or an animated GIF if I choose. And this is available for unlimited members. If you're not an unlimited member, those tools will not be available to you. So I'm going to download as video. Just click that. Okay, click OK. And you can see again in the upper right corner that gear is turning and it is building that video. So I'm going to click on My Media and Uploads right here. Yes, I'll leave that. Now in My Media and Uploads, these videos have finished. If I click on the first video that I added my logo to, the logo reveal, I can preview that and see what it looks like. That looks good. I can download it from here or save it or redo it. And I have the same options if I click out of this over here. If I want to save it forever to always be used in My Media and have it available in My Media to redo or add to presentations, I can click to save. And it looks like the other video has finished as well. So I might have to refresh my screen here and click on the preview so I can see what it looks like with the logo branding up in the left corner. And it's got the new word I put in there, teamwork, and I can also download that as well. So that's a way you can customize videos with your own branding and colors to use. You can also customize a clip art. So I'm going to go presentation clip art and go newest. And these regular clip art, you can change the colors of them. So let's use this doctors examining a question mark. So I want to change this question mark to my company's color. So what I can do is go back into I can either go into this design right here by clicking redo, and if I want to, I can add an element. So if I go to the elements on the far left corner or far left menu and click on shapes and just add any shape, and then with that shape selected, go up here to the to the color indicator, which is a gray because it's gray, and click on the color picker and just pick a color from your logo. And then with the shape still selected, go up to the color indicator, click on that again, and it'll give you this hex number right here. And if I hold Control or right click on it when it's selected, click copy, and go back out to the dashboard and go back into presentation clip art. And I'm going to go back into that image with the doctors. And if I click on advanced and go to accent color, I can add the hex number right here in the color the color picker. If I paste that in there, they will have the new color in there. If the color comes in too bright, you can always pull down this color picker in here, and that will lower the value. Or you can use this brightness, which will also bring down the value. Okay, and then you can also change the base image of this to a different color. So if I want to change it to a blue or lower down the color or saturation of the scrubs that the doctors are wearing, I could do that. And then I click save and download. And I can download that right here, or I can download and save to my media. So if I download and save to my media, I can save it to my computer. And then in my media, that image will show up. Okay, I'm going to go to a customizable clip art, and I'll show you how you can add your own logo here. So I'm gonna do this target right here, and I'm going to click customize and download. And this is a real-time 3D customizable item. So this is using technology where you can, over here, you can rotate around the graphic and get a different angle if you choose. And just like the other customizable or customizer apps that we were just in, you can click on My Media from the top of the vertical menu and go to Uploads, and then just click on your logo to add it to the design area. I'm just going to drag it to the center here, and let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the, let's see, I'm going to change the text. So over here in the layers in the far right side of the customizer, there'll be layers, and this will have your layers inside of here. So I'm just going to do the color picker on these, and you can see that it's changing. I'm going to select target over here as well. Since this is curved text, it's a little harder to select over in the design area, so it's easier to do from the layers. And then when you select a color, it saves it down here in the color, recent colors that you've selected. So I'm going to apply that. And then I want to change the background color of the target. So this is a group. I can move the whole thing around, but I can also double click it, and that will go inside the group. And then if I click on elements to change, go over to the color indicator up here and select that blue. Actually, I'm going to go to a gray, like a darker gray. And then this outer element I'm going to have as the blue. That looks good. And then I'm going to close the group right here. And you can see that that is now, looks like, if that's what I'm looking for, that looks good. And then if I go back over to the right and go to 3D preview, this is now updated. You can see that the outside of the target is still blue, a different blue, and you can just, that's because it's the outside of the 3D object. So underneath scene colors here, I can just select that where it says back and click that, and now it's got the same color. I can change the arrows to whatever colors I want. That looks good. Exit full screen. And then down here where it says build and download, just click that and it'll be available to download now. And I can click to save it to my media and save it to my computer if I choose. And then I'm going to use this, I'm going to exit out using this X and then go to my media and click on the preview, and I can preview that clip art image and it's ready to download. Just by clicking download, I can also redo that image if I want to add something else to it. And yep, you can add these to your presentations to give your presentations a graphic that's branded and has your logo on it. You can add them to social media posts that have your branding and logo on it, or marketing material, or training material. Whatever you choose to use these graphics in your media designs, they will definitely stand out with your logo design on them. And if you choose to use your colors of your logo inside the layouts and designs as well, that will give you definitely a branded look that stands out. All right, well, thanks for following along. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.